My great-grandfather started the business in 1948. I started when I was 16, answering phones. From then, I got into handling accounts payable, receivable, and then 10 years ago, I became president at Eck Industries. My mom said, since I was 10 years old, I said that's what I was gonna do, and I did it. I built my own team and had to find the right people for the right places to support me. There was some other female leaders that were kind of feeling the same thing, like taking over for their dads was difficult. I would help them realize that it's okay to make it your own. Try the foundry. I mean, castings are everywhere. The world needs castings. People are paying more attention to it. Technology just wasn't a priority, and now it's lightning fast, and we're keeping up with the rest of the world for technology, and that gets me excited. How can we make things better and faster, easier with automation and technology? We had no robots 10 years ago, and now we have 16. In the foundry world, it's a very close-knit group. We have, dads and uncles and brothers and cousins, sisters all working together, so that's really special.